So my role in the process is to gauge the repairability of the devices. Some other things we do are just testing the durability, checking to see what parts are going to be the most likely to fail and what the costs of part replacements are. A lot of these devices say they're liquid resistant, but we want to see that for ourselves.
With bond money, we have the opportunity to refresh the Chromebooks. The Chromebooks that we have from the previous bond, we learned a lot about how students were using them. A lot of our Chromebooks right now are kind of towards the end of their life, whether that's not holding a charge on their battery, or some of the keyboards are not working, or styluses are lost. So part of it is just refresh because students are needing a device that functions more than what we've got. So I want to make sure that it's robust enough because they're going to use it for 4 or 5 years. I start to think about these almost like we would think about textbooks or refreshing any other part of their curriculum.
We don't want to get a device that's going to fall apart. We don't want to make a bad investment with the money that the community's given us. So we're trying to make the best decision possible.